Hi, my name's Georgina and I work here at FinancePath and I'm the Customer Service Manager. If I was to choose a job that I could do for a day, I'll probably say a TV host. Not to be on camera, but I love hearing people's stories. So I'd like to have the opportunity to have a chat to people, find out about, them and their goals and just, understand people a little bit more. Considering that I've got a 14-year-old daughter at home, I would say that when things are bad, they don't stay bad forever. Take time, smell the roses, enjoy life, and things always get better, in time. And just be yourself. I've been with FinancePath for about 3 years now. I love the culture that FinancePath has. It stems from the directors right through to myself and the colleagues. We have a genuine passion to help our clients, and that's consistent from the time that you walk in to the time that you, throughout the duration of your loan. So I would say the fact that there's a common goal between all of us. I haven't been to this place, but I would love to go, and that's the Arctic Circle. Although it's very cold, I want to experience Scandinavia and see the Northern Light, so I'll say that's my ultimate destination. I have to say without my children, but I'll also say a good book and music.